dehydration, according, neuroscientists have done an MRI of the brain, and they found that when you are dehydrated, your brain actually shrinks. And that's what happens with aging and dementia. So if you want to get dementia and you want to age faster, your brain to get older faster, then keep dehydrating yourself. But if, they say the fountain of youth actually is available to most people in developed worlds. It's water. Drink more water. MRI also shows that when you're dehydrated, several parts of your brain get thinner and lose volume. So these are physical changes. These are physical changes that happen when you just don't drink water, right? And, on the flip side, when you don't drink water, that's what happens. Your brain shrinks, you get dumber, you get slower, you get older faster, right? This is the complete opposite of restorative longevity.